Hey y'all, it's Yank. I just want to show y'all my website and the things that I was doing last night till 2 o'clock in the morning, getting my website updated and together. So here's my homepage. You can see I have a summer sale. You can also get 15% off your order if you sign up with me. I'm going to take you to my BLX bundle deals. I'm going to add an item in the cart so you guys can see how that process looks as well. I have video advertisements for all of my products to give you a better visual of how the bundles or the wigs look. I go up to 34 inches in my other textures, which are deep wave, water wave, and loose deep. Edit that. Now we're going to go to the Meet the Owner of BLX page. You can read that on my website. I also have product coming soon, which is our bulk human hair for braiding. So my braiders, my girlies, get ready. And then I also have a blog page, which is Welcome to BLX. You can read that on the website. I have VIP gift cards as well that you can purchase for your friends, loved ones, etc. Here's our opening hours on the website. And if you need further assistance, it lets you know what to do as well. You can leave me a review on the website. And then I'm going to bring you guys to my cart to show that you can also rate the product that you receive. You can leave me a video, you can upload a picture, etc. And just welcome to BLX.